My name is Dr. Mark Slabaugh. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in sports medicine. I just recently retired from the Air Force, where I served for 24 years. I was the chief of orthopedic surgery and the head team physician at the Air Force Academy. For sports medicine, we treat anything in the shoulder, knee, and elbow. We want patients to be able to get back to those activities that they love doing. When I'm not a doctor, I love being involved in sports as well. This is one of the reasons why I went into sports medicine. I really enjoy swimming and biking and sometimes running. You want somebody that is involved in sports to be able to be your surgeon, to be your physician, so that they understand what it is, what it takes to get back onto the field, or what it takes to get back onto the court. My care philosophy is that I really want to come up with a shared decision with a patient. The patient and I go through what the different options are, and then they and I get to choose what is the best treatment for them, so that they really feel empowered and that they feel like they've got a vested interest in getting better themselves.